We're back for another matchup against Manitoba. This is the 13th game of our season, so maybe about a... No, we're not even a quarter of the way into the season. Still got a ways to go. Doing pretty good so far, I'd say, all things considered, so hopefully we can keep our winning streak alive. All starts with winning the face-off. Alright, so we won the face-off. And dang it. I feel like I feed it around the corner too much, but in this game especially, it's kind of the best way to establish a zone. Oh, we might have something here. Oh, crap!
And now it's grabbed by Trebrikov. Quick pass to Janssen Fjolby. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Chicago's got the puck.
Okay. Out of our zone. We'll feed it around this time. Got my shot right there. Alright. Oh, we missed it.
Picked up along the boards by Giordano. Moves it quickly over to Shaw. Chicago's got the puck.
Hey.
Working the puck deep inside
Take it up this right side again. Nope, actually, nope, that's not what we wanted to do. This won't be an icing, luckily.
Scooped up along the wall by Lundmark.
But they do take it over. A lot of back and forth early in this game. Alright, so we'll kill it here. Reset.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. We're still scoreless. The Wolves win the defensive zone face-off.
Win the face-off.
And now we
want to go. This guy wide open. Feed it in front. Not the best shot, but hey, you know what? It's another shot on goal.
Both centers ready to take the draw here coming up.
I feel like I have made improvements in this game so far, so.
Off the draw, they take possession. Lucius carries the puck in his own zone. Here's a chance on the attack. And a stick in the
lane. We get the interception. Take it up the right side again. Get it around. Got my shot right. Oh, wrong person.
And that shot gets caught in traffic. Looks to pass it to Toninato. Oh, and he tracks it.
It's close to being offsides. Where do I want to take this? Pass it over.
Chicago's got the puck near the back end. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. And they win the draw here in their own end. Sends a pass over. Feeds the puck across to Nikkanen. The Wolves have it now. He looks deep to Pavlicek.
Play in front of the rest of our guys here, so
blocks the shot.
Don't really have anything there.
Bauer's moving the puck through his own zone. The Wolves take over on possession.
A lot of back and forth early in this one.
Picking up steam. And he slides it quickly to Brindamore. Coughs up possession of the puck.
Have my shot, I think.
And it's a quick pass to Brindamore. What a stop with the kick save. And now he passes it to King. Moves it to the middle. Oh, and he keeps it here. And that shot goes.
Okay, so that one wasn't a really good shot on their part. Oh, crap. Well, I was passing to my guy who was wide open there, but just went way far to the right.
Past the halfway mark of this period. Still looking for our first goal. Suzuki's won the draw here in the defensive zone. The Wolves playing along the boards. Slides the
Beat it around. It's too much defense right there. He was right in front of us. Got another chance here.
Tremendous reflexes as he turns aside the one-timer.
You gotta be kidding me. How'd that go in? I don't know what happened there. So we had 2 guys on defense. They all go to the side there. Alright, well that was just kind of silly. But okay, 1-0. Gonna make a comeback here.
Pushed, and look at this. We finally got the first goal of the game here just past the midway mark of the frame.
Yeah, it hasn't been a really open up two-way game, has it, James? And now they found their offense. They found their footing, if you will, and this is really important. Timing can be everything in the game of hockey. They managed to switch the momentum, but now they've got to do something with it.
This guy.
And that's
Crap.
intercepted by the whiskey. Takes it across the blue line. Skates in behind the cage.
Now that they got a goal, the momentum's on their side, and they are all over us right now. We got to get it out of here. It's the post. We got really lucky there. All right, now we're gonna get it out of here.
Momentum, and they're tough to contain.
Centering pass, and that's intercepted. Nice zone entry from the left. Oh, look at this. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. The Wolves move it in.
I want to make something happen before we end the period.
And he feeds it down to Janssen Fjallby. Traprikov's got the puck in his own zone.
I don't know if we're going to have time to do it, though.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides it over to Wagner. Gaining momentum up along the side.
Feed it in. I have a chance for a shot or two. Oh my gosh! It was right there. Try it again. There we go! Oh my gosh, how'd that go in? Well, there you go. Don't speak so soon. I said I wouldn't have time for that, and we got it. Wide open in the middle of the ice. Just took the shot. Do we have time for another one before we end? We have 3 seconds left. 3.9.
See if we can pick up some momentum again here as a face-off is ready to go. Lambert's won the draw at center.
Alright, so that's going to do it. All tied up.
Both teams getting a good sweat on after this first.
This is a good game so far.
And we're coming back with a clean sheet of ice next.
That goal was exciting. I was not expecting that.
Opening face-off here in this second period is about set to go. Neither side giving up much.
Lost the face-off. Not the way I want to start.
Well, Cheryl, already a third of this one played. What do you make of this one?
Manitoba's got to find some rhythm in this game, James. From an offensive standpoint, they haven't generated a lot.
Did I break the glass? I think I broke the glass.
Yeah, it didn't shatter, though. It's amazing today with the new technology of the sticks and the way these players shoot.
Alright, so we'll get a face-off in their zone.
And shatter and explode. Instead, it's a crack, so the maintenance crew will come out and they'll just replace the panel.
Just won the face-off.
We won it.
See what they can do. And he maintains possession of the puck.
I didn't want to take it over there, but you know what?
Taken by Shaw.
Take the shot. Get the rebound here.
By Wagner.
Do you have anything I like?
Set up at the point. Works the puck across the line.
Right there.
They are really starting to apply the pressure here in the offensive end. Over to Wagner. Oh, what a save on the play!
We are just all over the place right now.
From the left side, they gain the zone. Scrum along the wall. Wagner stick handling in his own zone. Here's a short pass to Nadeau. And he sidesteps the check there.
Take it up the left side now. Probably going to feed it around. Yep.
Cross ice feed and a beauty.
Pass over here.
The Wolves working around
My guy.
again. And that shot gets blocked by one of his own teammates. Knocked away.
Gonna have the same guy shoot again, but
Pass to
didn't
Trevenkoff.
make anything happen there.
Gains the zone on the left wing. Here's a chance. Denies him on the play.
You know the goalie's dialed in when he redirects the puck to the corner.
Huge steal in his own end.
Surrounded, I'll pass it
Chicago's ready to
behind.
go on the attack. Handles the puck.
Another guy right here. Again! Seeley got the goal for us there.
Puts him in front.
Well, and persistence really
It's the
pays
exact
off.
same spot.
Wear
That
down your
spot
opponent,
all
and
season
then
long so far has been our go-to.
They get the go-ahead.
Yeah, the right side of the net. Finally have the lead. What, probably midway through the second period? Haven't been paying attention. That one's pretty surprising that went in. There was 4 guys right in front of the puck, but you know what? I'll take it. Realistic or not, the game is what it is, so
And these are the
there's
games
nothing
that
wrong
really
with using
matter.
this game's quirks to
Right
score
the
goals.
end. And it's going to be the details that make all the difference.
I think it's a
in the
little
world.
bit fun too. I'm just glad they got rid of those awkward animations after every time you score, because that was kind of a game killer for me.
Grabbed along the boards by Hanola. Across the line. Fires it on net.
Oh, that was a close one.
Save.
Don't like when they get momentum like this, so let's get it out of here.
His stick and his IQ, his awareness. I mean, his eyes are on the prize, and that's the shooter. And he's able to distribute the
Oh, we
puck
should have fed that
perfectly
one
and
around.
execute on a good scoring chance.
Oh no. Oh no.
Denied on the breakaway.
We got lucky. Wait, no, that's not where I wanted to pass it.
Goes right up the post.
Okay, let's get it out of here.
To make a play over to
Self-implosion.
moves the puck to Slavin. Chicago's on the attack.
Okay, so we have the zone.
One-timer.
Oh, that would have been awesome if that went in again.
Lambert's taking it from his own end. Bowers moving it ahead. Shakes off the defender with some nifty moves.
What on earth?
And the scratching and clawing has paid off as they're
I mean, it's an exciting game, but
Really like their game.
I guess we gave him a point-blank shot there. He comes in.
You have to trust the process. That's exactly what they've done. And
Oh, it came off the goalie's stick. I was wondering what happened. Wasn't for a goalie, that probably would have missed. Alright, so tie game again.
half the frame has been played here. We are all tied up in this one. Swoops in off the wing to grab the puck after the centerman tied him up. Down the left wing, they gain the zone.
Feed it in, we were just getting bombarded right there.
Oh, he'll feel that one.
Okay, so we have a guy open.
And the
No one to pass to, so we lose the zone.
Center. Havlicek
Get it around
playing
again.
against the half wall. One-timer! And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Slides the puck across to Torgerson.
That's the one thing that's kind of frustrating is whenever the puck's just sitting out in space, everyone just stares at it.
With the puck. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that. The Wolves gain control of the puck. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Takes a shot. Oh, I think that went off his mask and somehow stays out of the net. Puck picked up by Lewinsky. And that goes off a player. Takes a knock.
Oh, that was a bad bounce.
Picked up along the wall by Giordano. That's some smart heads-up defensive play by Stillman. On the attack along the boards. Solid hit on the play.
We didn't have anyone to get the rebound after we
And he takes the feed.
hit them.
Now into the offensive zone from the right side.
Don't have a lot of time left
Picked up
either.
along the boards by Morrow.
The Whiskies really impressed me with that last play, James. I mean,
Did she just say the Whiskies? What on earth? The Islanders, the Whiskies. I can't even keep track anymore. And she said Manitoba earlier, so I don't understand. I think it just comes down to polish, which, my understanding, NHL 26, they don't have to make a previous gen and next gen game, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there's a little bit more polish. Is this game fun in my opinion? Yeah. Is there some things that definitely need improved? Absolutely.
And he's still able to corral the puck and get it off with precision to the
Okay,
shooter.
so we'll
That
get
leads
time
to a
for
great
one more
scoring
shot here.
Tying seconds, and he makes the save.
All right, all tied up going into the third period.
2 periods down, 1 more to go. They always say 3 is the magic number. We've got period number 3 next. Time to drop the puck here in period number 3. Here we go. We're in the final frame.
Face off of this one.
And it is still up for grabs.
Establish the zone here.
Moves it quickly over to Nadeau.
Holy crap, that one was a good one. That was a good sequence. 2 passes leading to the goal. Wide open on the left side. Yeah, pass it down, pass it over, and shots wide open right there. Take the lead early on. These goals that I'm scoring are very, very satisfying.
The Wolves with that goal have gone up by 1 here in the third.
Well, you're better up by 1 than down by 1, James, but there's a lot of runway left. Now it's a mindset of attack, but be defensively responsible.
One more goal so that we can establish a larger lead.
Chicago's got a hold of the puck now.
Inside.
Scoring options here inside the defensive zone.
Oh, we got something here.
Quick shot.
Oh my gosh, how did they save that?
That stop. Moves the puck along the half wall.
All right, we got the rebound right here.
Quick shot.
Too wide.
Put it in the corner and just missed.
Well, there's a fine line between
Third.
scoring and missing, and that's instant.
Come on, give me a break.
Really shot.
A lot of these shots probably would have gone in before, but those are some good shots.
Face-off coming up here.
Well, you know that you want to gain possession.
Manitoba,
you wanna
the
keep
last-
pressure on because the
in last
goaltender
place
is the
in the
only one
league.
you
I think
can't
they just
change.
said they're
He is the
32nd.
most fatigued guy on the ice. So you want to find ways to get some net front presence, get shots through the net because, man, he needs a rest.
Yeah, that was a turnover.
Manitoba's got it in the offensive zone. Chicago's looking to break out. And he
Uh-oh.
puts it up with the pass. Glove save.
Oh, we saved it.
Listen, James, the shooter's in the slot. This is as high danger as it can get, and he challenges. He's set, ready to go in great position, and makes the save as a result.
From the top of the offensive zone here. I don't think anybody was hanging onto the puck after that hit.
Still have it, surprisingly.
Scrum ensues along the boards.
Beat it around. Do we have anything?
Got it near the point.
Side. I know I want this guy.
Comes up with the stop.
Dang, that shot's usually a golden shot for me to score a goal.
Fires
Not
it.
today.
A rocker off the blocker.
Well, a nice save by the goaltender, and even better is that he's...
Oh my gosh, did we just score on ourselves? Dang it. Shoots it in. We blocked it. My guy scored on... Oh my gosh. Crazy. Takes the shot. And yeah. Guy sticks his stick out and they scored. Well, that sucks. Still got time though. Still got time. It's not panic mode yet.
Hard work, good positioning, and the ability to counterattack, and that's quite a punch to get them back at evens. The remainder of this period, though, both teams going toe-to-toe. This is going to be a great one.
Wide open. There we go. 3 times in one game. Exact same spot.
And this has been trending to happen, James. They've been closing on the puck quickly. You've sensed an upward trajectory as this game's progressed, and they find the back of
Now
the
we gotta hold on to the lead like it's nothing else.
Need to happen to execute a one-timer perfectly. You have to have the pass, and you have to have the time. You can't be over-anxious. That's the first thing. And second thing, you can't over-rotate. He's perfect with both, and he finds the back of the net.
The Wolves coaching staff must be pleased with this start, jumping out to a one-goal lead.
Don't have a lot of time left.
Yeah,
Just
you know,
got to
it's
hold
all
on to the
about
lead.
and not changing the mindset that got you the lead, right, James? You want to make sure that you're attacking at all costs because you know that you've held the puck, so you can. Your opponent is chasing. Continue pushing the pace, and you'll get
Right there. Oh, dang. That would have been awesome to get another goal.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Chicago's got the momentum.
It's been an awesome game so far. A lot of excitement.
Puck grab by Ryan.
Oh, no. No. Okay, we saved it. We'll kill it. I'm not willing to take the risk anymore.
Ryan's been lighting the lamp with this point streak, playing so confident. He knows where he is on the ice, and it just seems that every time it makes its way towards the net, the puck's going in.
It's not ideal for them to win the face-off, but we blocked it. We've got something here.
And he keeps that one out as he gets a piece of the glove. The Wolves are coming up for the next game, and I was just told a little while ago that a few extra seats have been released for this one, so if you haven't got your tickets yet, you know what to do. Play resumes here as he wins the draw.
Alright, won the face-off. Got my shot right there.
Ryan's got the puck. Hard hit.
Ah, dang it. Stole it.
Steam. Moves it quickly. Picked off by Joseph. And he loses control of the puck. Looking to make something happen.
Beat it around here. We don't really have anything.
Takes the feed at the back end.
Oh, come on.
Taken along the wall by Torgerson. Slides the pass over to Nikkanen. Chicago's grabbed a hold of the puck. The Wolves take it along the wall. Knocked around, but keeps it going. King's got it in the defensive end. The Moose have taken to the
That was so close. We can't have that happen.
to get a stoppage in play.
Not this late in the game.
A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Chicago's going to start with the puck in their own end. And now he moves it quickly to Franco. Breakaway! Oh, I'm not really sure what happened there.
It looks to me like
Here we go. Oh, dang it. Take another shot. Just throw it in.
Tries to get the puck over to Giordano. Goluba's got it along the boards. The Wolves have it against the wall. Manitoba's got it in the neutral zone. Shot! Too much congestion.
Get it out of here. All right, there we go.
Chicago's in transition. Scoops up the puck. With the stop. Feeds it on over to Trebrikov. Quick feed to Shaw. Grabbed along the boards by Seeley. From behind
So
the net,
stressful
looks to
right
bring
now.
out.
No.
The Moose have it now. And that's off a stick. Reaches out and pucks it away.
Got to get it out of here.
And now it's grabbed by Montgomery.
Right out of the tail end. Not a ton of time left.
Manitoba's got it in their own zone. Handles the pass. Moves the puck across to Janssen Fjolby. The Wolves have it from
Oh, we got a breakaway.
Chicago's got it along the wall. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Lucius brings it in from center.
All right, they have an empty net.
Centering pass. And he shuts down a great scoring chance there.
Okay. We're right at the end. Empty net. We just need to get the face-off win, and then we can put this game away. That is not what we wanted. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. I can't believe that that just happened. You've got to be joking. It was right there too. With what, 40 seconds to go. I think I should cry right now. You gotta be kidding me.
Manitoba's playing to win here now in the late stages of this one, Cheryl.
It's amazing how you can get so much rejuvenation.
I'm not happy.
You know, the whole bench is
That's the
up and ready to
face-off
go.
right
They
there
want the
too.
ball.
Lambert's got it in the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Tornado.
Well, we can't let him win it right here. All right,
Taken by Nadeau.
get one chance. This is it.
The Wolves play to
Beat it
win.
around, get the zone. We got our shot right there.
Times it.
Oh, and he saves it this time.
Back with the stop on the one-timer. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. Great read by the winger to take possession with the two centermen tied up. Back at the point, they set it up. Can't get it to go.
We're gonna take it into overtime, I guess.
Shaw.
Oh my gosh. Talk about a way to...
There's the buzzer.
Well, we haven't lost, but talk about a way to blow a game.
So let's go to overtime, and we'll do that next here on EA Sports.
All right. Let's make something happen quickly here. On the face-off, didn't have anyone to pass to. Alright, so let's get it in. Throw it in the zone.
Receives the puck in the corner.
My guy was right in the way.
Just wide.
Shot it wide.
Have taken possession along the wall. A chance on the rush here.
Oh no.
In on the attack.
I completely missed. That was so close. Alright, let's take it down.
Wow.
Now we have some momentum.
Zone along the right wall. Game on a stick. Oh,
That was close.
still tied. What a stop. Takes the puck at the point. And he's pulled over to the ice and loses the puck.
Don't have a ton of time left.
And couldn't hang on to the puck.
These overtimes go by quick.
Giordano's lugging the puck. Takes the pass. Here's a short pass to Shaw. Hangs on to the puck.
Oh, no.
For the win. Oh, what a save to keep it tied.
All right.
Look at this, 2-on-1.
Now we got our chance.
Feeds it over. Smart defensive effort to break up that play. He might have a step here. All alone. Oh,
We have been getting bailed out like no other this overtime with our goalie.
for the win. And that goes off a player in front. The Wolves
A little bit of time. We're only going to have time for a couple shots here.
Here's a chance.
Oh my gosh.
He's doing absolutely everything he can to keep his team in this game, James. Unbelievable save. Hakanen's movements are outstanding. I mean, he gets to position so quick. He's athletic and he makes
That wasn't a
huge
good
save from the
shot.
spot.
Quick pass to Lambert.
I suck at shootouts in this game, so
Regroups with the puck back inside.
Oh,
the
no.
zone.
this isn't good.
Look at this. And that's a great heads-up play by Jost.
We're taking it to a shootout. Okay, so I was just saying earlier in this game that I've been getting better at NHL 25. Shootouts is one thing I've done nothing with. That's why I'm so bad at the breakaways too.
In here as both
So
teams
hopefully
will
this
settle
doesn't look
on a
ridiculous.
shootout. Crowd is on their feet.
Alright.
Shuts it down. What a save.
Huge
Well, that was
save.
not good.
He wanted that one.
Lucius has a chance now to counterpunch in this shootout. Makes a save on that
Okay, so our
shot.
goalie saved us there.
Today's technology and all the resources available, you know that goaltenders have the book on the shooter, and I'm telling you, he read this one perfectly.
Up to the left side.
And he stops that attempt.
I think he just does a great job.
Have
of
to
making
aim a
himself
little
as
bit
big
more
as possible
to the
and
side.
take away all
Just
the
shot it
shooting
right at the
angles.
goalie there.
Here's a great opportunity to take a stranglehold. And he says, on that play.
Yeah, on the shootout, he's confident and composed. You don't see him moving around in his crease. Just makes himself as big as possible. Looks really efficient.
Alright, let's get to the side.
Makes a save and look good.
Probably a little bit too early with the shot there.
Everything about him is telling you that he's confident and composed.
I am not good at this.
Shaw's ready to go. And he can win it if he can snipe it right now. Oh, and he couldn't get the shot off.
I think this is a product
Okay, so
of
now we're going to round
overthinking,
4. Now I
James,
think
that he
it's
runs
sudden
out of
death.
real estate trying to make a decision, and he doesn't get it off.
Tonight on the play.
So efficient, calm, and moves smoothly to make the save.
Here's a chance to seal the deal. And shuts the door there.
Well, does a great job of anticipating the play here, James, and makes the save.
We're still waiting for our first goal here in this shootout. Let's see if we finally get one here. Stops it. This might be turning into
Well, I'm messing around with controls now. I have no idea what I'm doing, so that one wasn't very good.
Top of his crease, but most importantly, he's tracking and anticipating.
reads it perfectly and makes the save.
Love that he doesn't sit back in his crease, but he gets out and challenges and takes away as much of the net as possible.
Makes the save and will play on.
Well, that looked cool, but I was way too far away from the net.
Well, they're already up here, and they could win it with a goal right now. And he comes
Is this shootout just going to go on forever?
This is why they practice it a lot of the time.
Okay.
Post-practice, James, goaltenders want work on this.
Let's
So
try
do
this
shooters. He does
time.
a great job of
Something
anticipating to make
happened.
that save.
makes the move.
Well, that's not what I wanted to do.
Widen the lead and couldn't do
Again,
it.
I'm playing around with controls. I don't know what I just did there. I think I pressed L1 and accidentally pressed... I don't know what happened. Okay. Well, that sucks. I wasn't expecting to win after we went into a shootout. I suck at this. I'm going to have to practice. But... yeah, I mean, this was an exciting game. Kind of frustrated, but still exciting. So, hopefully you all thought it was exciting watching through. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. I think we're playing Manitoba again. So, believe it will be a rematch, and trust me, I will be out for vengeance. Okay, I think this is the 3rd loss of the season. Overtime loss. So I don't know if we get more points for overtime loss. But yeah, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.